Today we're going to be making one of my favorite things to make, which is a hearts of palm vegan ceviche using some herbs from my garden. Yeah, it's actually really good. When I was like 17, I started working at this health foods restaurant, and it just really opened my eyes to how good like natural food is and just what it can do for your energy and your body. And I guess that's kind of when I started eating and cooking a lot more healthy and just fresh. I mean, I think it's kind of necessary to have stuff that you enjoy doing outside of what you do for work. I love cooking and gardening and doing that so much because it still feels creative, but it gives me a little work-life balance, I guess you could say. This is parsley, cilantro. Over here we have sweet basil, jalapeno, which you can see this cute little guy. Very exciting. One of the things I really enjoy about being a designer at VANS is that they really value creativity. It's not just a job. It's something that you want to do all the time. It's kind of a way of life. So yeah, I think it's just natural to have that when you work at VANS. I think as a creative, you always have this desire to like have impact on the world around you. You know, you are having an impact by supporting small farmers and things like that. So I think it's not just about cooking for me, it's really about the whole experience, if that makes sense. Yes, please have some.